Upgrading your home with a new door is one of the most effective ways to enhance security, boost curb appeal, and improve energy efficiency. However, before your installers arrive, it's important to prepare your home properly to ensure the process is smooth, safe, and efficient. For homeowners in Miami Gardens, where the humid climate and strong seasonal storms can impact both materials and installation timing, preparation plays a key role in achieving long-lasting results. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get your home ready for a professional door installation. Clear the work area inside and out before installation day. Make sure the area around your door, both inside and outside, is free from clutter. Remove any furniture, decorations, rugs, or plants that could get in the way. Installers need enough space to bring tools, materials, and the new door into position safely. Clearing the entryway not only speeds up the process but also reduces the risk of accidents or damage to your belongings. If your door opens onto a porch or patio, move outdoor furniture, planters, or welcome mats out of the way. This will allow your installation team to work efficiently and ensure a clean, unobstructed workspace. Protect your floors and surrounding surfaces. Door installation can involve dust, debris, and occasional scraping from old frames or construction materials. To protect your home, lay down drop cloths, towels, or protective coverings near the entry area. Professional installers often bring their own floor protection, but having your own coverings ready adds an extra layer of assurance. If your flooring is delicate, such as hardwood, tile, or luxury vinyl, take a few moments to secure those areas before work begins. Additionally, consider covering nearby furniture or decor items with lightweight sheets to prevent dust accumulation during the removal of the old door and frame. Confirm door measurements and details in advance. One of the most common delays during installation projects comes from incorrect measurements or mismatched hardware. Before the installation date, confirm that your new door's dimensions, style, and swing direction match your existing doorway. If you're upgrading to a different type of door, such as a French door, storm door, or sliding patio door, your installer may need to adjust the frame or threshold. Having these details clarified beforehand ensures that installation goes smoothly and no unexpected modifications are needed mid-project. It's also wise to double-check finishes, colors, and handle placement, especially if your door includes custom hardware or decorative glass. Make arrangements for pets and children during installation. Doors may be temporarily removed, creating open access to the outdoors. To keep your family safe, make arrangements for pets and young children to stay in another part of the house while installers are working. Not only does this help prevent distractions for the crew, but it also ensures that no one accidentally wanders into a work zone or outside while the door is being fitted. Consider the weather forecast. Miami Gardens' tropical climate can be unpredictable, with sudden rain showers or high humidity potentially affecting installation conditions. Professional installers typically plan around the forecast, but it's still helpful to stay informed. If heavy rain or storms are expected, rescheduling might be necessary to avoid moisture entering your home during the project. Communicating with your installation team about potential weather concerns can save time and prevent complications. Ensure easy access for the installation crew. If you live in a gated community or have a home security system, make arrangements in advance to allow the installation team access on the scheduled day. Disarm alarms connected to your existing door and provide clear instructions for entering your property. This small step helps installers start on time and avoids unnecessary delays. Ask about post-installation care. Once your new door is installed, your contractor will typically review operating instructions, maintenance tips, and warranty information with you. Take this opportunity to ask questions about cleaning products, sealing recommendations, or paint care, especially since Miami Gardens' humidity can affect certain materials over time. Regular cleaning, periodic hardware checks, and applying protective finishes can help your new door maintain its beauty and efficiency for years to come. Final thoughts: preparing your home properly is the key to a smooth, efficient, and stress-free door installation. By clearing the workspace, confirming measurements, managing household access, and coordinating with your installers, you can help the project go off without a hitch. In a place like Miami Gardens, where climate conditions demand durable, well-sealed doors, taking the time to prepare ensures your new entryway not only looks great but performs flawlessly, providing security, comfort, and energy efficiency for the long haul. With the right preparation and professional expertise, your new door installation will be a seamless upgrade that enhances your home's appearance and functionality for years to come.